Hi, welcome to my channel, Look 10 Years Younger. I'm 45 years old and I review various anti-aging products, devices, supplements and salon treatments to let you know what works and what doesn't. So a few of you have requested that I do a daily skincare video showing what products that I use on a daily basis. So here we go and I hope you enjoy it. Obviously sunscreen is essential for anti-aging, but trying to kind of scrub it off at the end of the day is really difficult because it's so greasy and it always leaves a residue. So I found this product which is called Dhc Deep Cleansing Oil. This was around £10 on Amazon, I'll link below, and this is a miracle. You basically apply this to your skin, you just put one pump, you just spread it like this, put it in your face and your neck, and it will make the sunscreen completely dissolve. It does say that you should use 3 pumps, but I find 1 is more than enough. When I have tried to use 3, it's kind of given me a few spots, so I just keep this to 1 pump. This is amazing. If you've got dry skin, then that's enough. You can just go on with the rest of your skincare routine. What I do after using this, I then double cleanse to make sure I get rid of this, because this is made of olive oil and juniper oil. So although it does remove when you rinse it off, just to make sure I double cleanse. So I will go over that with Ethique In Your Face Solid Cleansing Bar. So you get these little bars, it's just soap, you just rub it on your face and it lathers up. This is really effective. You can just use this on its own as well. And I love this because there's no plastic. This was about £14, I'll link this below, and this does last a really long time. If you don't like the idea of that, what I have been using for at least 10 years is this Dr. Organic Rose Otto cleanser. This is a soft creamy cleanser, it's really effective. I'm moving away from it because it's got plastic packaging, but you know, if you wanted to try this, this is good. This is about £9 and I'll link that below as well. So after I cleanse my skin, I will slightly towel dry it so it's still damp, and then I will apply hyaluronic acid. Now I make my own hyaluronic acid and you can check out the video here. But if I'm going to travel, because the homemade one you have to refrigerate, if I'm going to travel, then I'll use the ordinary hyaluronic acid, which is great because it's got vitamin B6 in it as well. And I kind of alternate that. So I try, if I can remember, I try to alternate the hyaluronic acid with the ordinary buffet, and that's basically also hyaluronic acid, but it's got some peptides in it. So when I remember, I try to alternate those every other day. So the thing with these hyaluronic acid products, you want to apply it to slightly damp skin, and that will help to retain that moisture in your skin. That's what all moisturizing products do. They want to trap the moisture in your skin so your skin's plump and healthy. So you apply it to damp skin and then you allow it to dry. A couple of minutes afterwards, I will apply my retinol. So this is only used at night time. So what I'm talking about here is my skincare routine at night. I don't ever use skincare in the morning apart from sunscreen. So you'd apply your Differin, which is a retinol product, and I literally would put maybe a blob the size of a pea, and you just kind of dot it over your face, your neck and the back of my hands. Then I'll just rub that in. Then I'll let that sit for 2 to 5 minutes, depending how much time I have. Then I would go over with my moisturizer. So the one that I love is Bioskin Xeoderm, and this is completely organic. It's got no bad stuff. It's got no parabens or mineral oils or paraffin, and I find this really effective. It leaves my skin feeling nourished. You know, sometimes you use a moisturizer and you can't really feel it afterwards. So I really like this product. Don't use too much, literally like a small dot, and then I'd kind of put it around my face and my neck and the back of my hands. And then, you know, I'd leave that and then I'd go to bed 10 minutes later. If it's a really hot summer or I'm in a country that's really warm and I don't want to use something that heavy, then I would use the ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors moisturizer. So this is much lighter, so if you've got oily skin, then this would be a much better bet for you. So you can use more of this, and it's never going to leave your skin greasy just because of the formulation. So this is a good one you can try as well. I can't remember how much this was. I think this was about £6. The ordinary are really reasonably priced. That's one thing I do like about them. If it is evening, then before I sleep, then I use Naturaline Lip Balm, and this is made of beeswax, so it's not made of paraffin or anything unnatural. That just keeps my lips nice and moisturized. If it's the morning, then I will use Dr. Organic Vitamin E Lip Balm, and it's got an SPF 15 to protect my lips from the sun. If it's summertime, or you know, you're going to the beach or you're on holiday, I would use a much higher SPF, like between 30 and 50. So I got this from Boots. This is about £5. I think this one was £5 as well, I can't remember, but I'll link all these below. And obviously the most important thing is that you have big sunglasses that are going to protect this eye area, because this is where you're going to age first. So buy quality sunglasses. These are made by Oakley, and after doing my own research, these extreme sports sunglasses seem to be the ones that are going to protect your skin the most from all the different rays, UVA, UVB. So put your sunglasses on. So twice a week I'd shave, and then my routine is slightly different. So twice a week I will shave using the Gillette Proglide Power razor, and this basically has a battery, and you turn it on and it vibrates, and that vibration is supposed to give you a closer shave. So you have 7 blades here, and these kind of heads, they last for 2 months. That's why I really like it, and it gives me a really close shave as well. So I would use this Eco Warrior shaving bar, which is, you know, obviously plastic free, and this lasts much longer than a normal shave gel or shave foam. You just rub it over your skin, then I just use a brush to foam it up, and I would shave. So this is an amazing product. This is £4, which is really, really economical. So I'd rinse off the shaving bar, then I would use a face scrub. So this is a brand called Ayumi, and I've been using this for over a year now. And this is just amazing, their products. They would be perfect if they weren't packaged in plastic, but this exfoliates my skin and leaves it bright and really fresh. So I use this for a couple of minutes, rinse this off, then I would use the Ayumi clay face mask, and again, this is something that leaves my skin feeling fresh and refined. I also use it on my neck as well. So I don't know what's in it exactly, but this is an amazing product. Both these are about £8, and I'll link them below. And then the final and most important part of anyone's skincare routine is the sun protection. That's what's going to protect you from aging. So I use Sun Sport Gel SPF 50. I use this, it's amazing, because normally when you've got an SPF 50, you get a white cast, you get a horrible white you know, residue on your skin. This is a gel. It's more like an oil, I would say, but it doesn't leave you with any kind of horrible whiteness. It goes on really easily, and if you're going to go jogging, or you know, you're going to go and work out, it doesn't run. That's also really important. So this is the best sunscreen that I've found. SPF 50. It's got maximum UVA protection. Amazing. I really like this. If I am going to go somewhere and I want to make a good impression, or I don't know, say you're going to a wedding and someone's going to be taking photos, then I would use another Sun product, which is SPF 50, but it's got a tint. So there's ivory or there's honey. There's 2 tints. I use honey, which is the darker one, and basically it gives you a very slight, you know, tint to your skin. So if you're on holiday on the beach, you know, and you don't want to look completely white, then this just gives you a healthy glow. So I really like this. This is better in a way than the other one I've just shown you, because this has visible light protection and infrared protection as well. So this has every kind of protection you could possibly need from the sun. However, it's more expensive. This is £24 for 60 millilitres, and this is £19 for 200 millilitres. So this is obviously more expensive, but for daily, you know, day-to-day use, I would use that. So hopefully this has helped you and you found this interesting. If you've got any questions, or if you've got any other products you want to recommend, I'd really like to know about them, especially sun protection. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe, and have a great day.